Hello, Lions. I know we're all getting a lot of places that we have to go, and you may have a system of organization already in place for all of the things that you need pinned or saved to your browser. But I just wanted to show you a couple of quick tips to organizing all these virtual places that we have to go. So one of the first things I want to show you is how to pin a tab. So if you just right click on the tab and then right here where it says pin tab, if you click on that pin tab, you'll notice it makes the tab small and it shoots it all the way over here to the left. And then I can't close that tab, like it's just kind of stuck there. And then what you can do is you can unpin it and then you can close it if you need to. Another thing that you might want to do in your settings on your Google Chrome browser, this is something that I've done for a while now, is over here on startup on your Chrome browser, continue where you left off. So the next time I open Chrome on this computer, it will open up the same set of tabs that I had opened the last time I was here. So if I have these tabs open, it'll open those when I close it and open it again. And the last thing I want to show you is up here. So when you favorite a tab, so let's just say I'm going to go to so I'm on my website, right? And I want to favorite this and I want to bookmark it. If I click this star, you'll notice it has this really long name if I just click done. And then you'll notice I have all of these things up here. And so the one that I just put is all the way down here. If I want to move this up, if I want to move it up in this list or I want to move it over here, I can move it all the way over here. And then one of the things you can do is you can right click on it and click edit, and then you can change the name. So maybe I just want to put Reedy Library on here. So I'm going to change it to Reedy Library and I'm going to click save. And so now it's shortened. And you'll notice some of these, like I have my Drive here, my Google Keep, and these are my library things. This is Canvas, this is Zoom, Twitter, Mackin, Google Chat, all these different ones. You can edit out the whole name and it allows you to put more favorites up here like that. And so and then if you want to move one out, you can just delete it. And then I only name the ones where I'm like, what is this? I will never remember what this icon is. And so like I have the Hall Pass, the training we just had, it's right here. So if I click on that, it automatically goes to Hall Pass. And so those are just some quick ways to organize all these places that we have to go, and the things that I refer to the most I can put up here. And that way, as I'm working and I'm closing different tabs and I'm opening different tabs, I can always have very easily accessible the ones that I need the most.